Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this mini massager, waterproof for use in the shower and bath, 2-in-1 exfoliator and gentle vibrating massage with 12 massaging knobs. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product and how we can use it. 2 3A batteries included at the box. And with a manual, of course. If you want to read, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. We have two-sided heads, one side for exfoliating, you can remove that, and the other side for cleansing. Vibrating massage use on your back, neck, arms, legs or shoulders and more, with 12 massaging knobs. We need to install the batteries. Just here it says open, rotate that, remove that. We can see around here it has rubber because it is waterproof. You can use it in the shower and bath. The batteries. Let's test it. Yep, I have installed correct the batteries. And rotate again, and it locks. Comfortable to use, just press once, on and off button, that's all, nothing else. Oh, nice! It feels nice. And you can massage yourself, arms, neck, legs or shoulder, at your back, wherever you want. It's so relaxing. And of course you can use this for exfoliating, this side. Very easy to install. Bucket of water, it is waterproof. No problem. Nice. We have shampoo. And you can do that in all your body without a problem. It feels so nice. With the right shampoo, you can use it, exfoliate your area you want. You can remove dead skin. And then remove again that. And install it at the other side for cleansing. Wow, now it feels so nice, so smooth. And again, bucket of water. It is waterproof. Use it without a problem on your bath, shower. Nice, I like it. And it cost only 12 euros. I think the price is very good. In the end, you have a great feeling on your skin. Nice. I like it. I feel nice. And with that saying, my viewers, this is the end of the video. Again, thank you for watching. I am launching new videos, short videos. You can check these short videos on my YouTube channel. They are very interesting. Until my next video, please subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.